everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I have another unboxing. Yes, I have another unboxing. I want to see what's in this here box. Then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to click on my subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, you all, we're going to jump straight into this here unboxing. Like I was saying, I was online and I came across this item because it was on sale. I did do an unboxing. I'm not sure which one is going to go up first. I did do an unboxing on like a bag, a small like bag. This is the second item. I didn't want to unbox them all in the same video, so this is why this is a part 2 of that first unboxing. It's from the Neiman Marcus private sale. So again, I clicked on the email, went straight to the handbags and accessories, and this item came up. Here's the box, and like I stated in the unboxing, I know for sure I'm not keeping it. This one I think I am going to keep. Again, I want to, you know, play with it after I film this here unboxing, because when I do unboxings here on this channel, a lot of things I unbox and I be like, you know, but then when I turn the camera off and I start playing with it or doing stuff to it, it's like, I don't think I love it like that. And regardless of the price, the brand, or whatever, I have to like love something in order to keep it. Like, I just don't want to keep it because it's Gucci or Louis Vuitton or Prada or whatever. Like, I really want to love what I'm, you know, when I'm unboxing. I watch a lot of YouTube videos, and a lot of things that a lot of videos I watch, I'm like, oh, I think I want to order that. And then when I get it home, I'm not loving it as much. So this is why I like to, you know, play with my stuff. And again, like I stated in the first video, I just want to be completely honest on my channel. Some things that I unbox, I keep, and some things I do return. The things that I do return, you don't see a part 2 far as a review on that particular item, and it's because, again, I did return it. And I feel like this is like something for summer. And this here is a small item, and it is from Givenchy. And like I stated before, this is my first time ever purchasing. Well, this is my second time purchasing from Givenchy, because I did purchase that bucket bag. So here is the small item on sale. I'm like, oh, let me go ahead and order this. It's out of the box. You do get your Givenchy care card. I think that's what it's called. The original price was, here's the original price, which is $2.90. I didn't pay $2.90, and I did get a card case because, as you can see, it is a small leather item. I think I paid like $190 for this particular item, so I ended up saving like $100. Here is the dust bag, Givenchy. Do I need it? Absolutely not. I don't. I got it because I felt like the colors were like screaming summertime. Like, do you see that pretty like lime green? And it has the Givenchy symbol on the front, and you do have Givenchy here on the back. Your card case holds a few cards, and I will show you really quick how many cards it holds. And I do like the fact that it's not like tight, whereas though it's like a little stretch to it, so I can kind of like place a lot more in the middle. I do have my Louis Vuitton what is it, wallet. I call it a wallet. I don't know if it's a coin purse or whatever. Place some cards in here really quick. Like the slots are a little loose, so you can kind of like double the card slots, but again, I never double none of my card slots because I just feel like within time it'll, like, I don't know, probably like make it, I don't know, I just don't double my card slots. Here are my most used cards. So so when you place the cards in here, it did kind of tighten up the middle part. So let me show you, because I want to get everything in here. This particular card case, you can hold a total of 6 cards. As you can see, I have 3 in the front. No, well, as you can see, I have 3 in the back, and I also have 3 in the front. The front is where the Givenchy symbol is right here in the front. And now, since I done placed all them cards in here, this here is a little tight, so I'm not sure what can fit in here. I don't have no money on me, but I'm gonna grab my driver's license cards. In here is a little tight, so if I do place anything in the middle slot, I probably will have to do that first and then place the 6 cards in here. Now with my driver's license, I don't normally pull out my driver's license a lot, so I can place it in that tight slot, which is the middle slot, and don't have to worry about constantly having to pull out my driver's license. But now these here cards, I do use a little more. Some stores don't take Apple Pay, and the stores that don't take Apple Pay, of course I have to pull out my card slot. If I didn't mention, you have this little D-ring here. I'm not sure what this is for, because like I said, I am new to Givenchy, but like with my Louis Vuittons, I could probably attach it to like the D-rings in my bags, because I think the Neverfull and my Artsy has like a D-ring hook or something, or I don't know, but it do have this little D-ring. Again, I'm not sure what it's for. If you have Givenchy and you know, let me know, but I can probably attach this to like my key ring if I wanted to, but I probably would never attach this to my key ring, only because the fact that it is yellow and it has all my information on here, and I feel like it's exposed, so I probably wouldn't attach this to my key ring. But for whatever reason, if you want to do so, you do have that D-ring to do it. I felt like this was a fun pop of color to add inside of my small bags, because as you know, I do carry a lot of small bags. I just wanted to get on here and do a really quick unboxing on this particular item. So yeah, it's a really cute item, you all. So I will try and link this down below. I'm not sure if I'll be able to link this one down below, the one I got on sale. I will try and find one, but if I can't, I'll just link one down. Purchase one for yourself. Look down in the description box. It was really cute. Yeah, and the way the material is made, it feels like it's wipeable. Like say if a stain get on here, I can like just wipe it off. But as of now, I am carrying my Louis Vuitton. The cards do come out really easy. So I said the cards do come out easy. They weren't like hard to get out, only the one at the top, because of the fact that, like I said, I felt like, see how loose it is now? I think it was only tight because of all the cards, because as you can see, I can open this really wide. I can fit cards in here. So if you have like cards, like I said, I think with this you will have to place your cards in the middle slot first, and then go ahead and put your cards in here. Yeah, see, that's what you would have to do. You would have to place your cards in first, middle, because in the middle I have 4 cards in the middle. So whatever you want to put in the middle, you have to put that in first, and then you can go ahead and fill your slots up with your particular cards. I was able to put my driver's license in the back. So yeah, you all, I think this is a really cute summer piece. Of course you can wear it all year round, but I just thought this was like really cute, like a nice pop of color. Just wanted to get on here and do this unboxing really quick, because I have had this sitting in the corner for a few days now. I need to go ahead and start playing with this to see if it's something, you know, that I want to keep. I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, continue to enjoy the rest of my day. So with that being said, you all, if you enjoyed this here unboxing, please give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later.